Hey Cookie Crumbs, it's me Layla and I'm back for another one of my fab videos. In today's video what we're going to be doing, I just made a amazing hamster video about my hamsters, and we made these stress balls like 4 months ago. I completely forgot what was in them. This one feels kind of hard, like rubber, and this one feels really squishy. I'm thinking this one's slime. This one's really squishy. I drew little faces on them. So first we're going to start with this one. I have a cup because I'm too lazy to go downstairs and do it. Let's cut the tip off. Oh, what's coming out? What's coming out of this? Oh, geez, sand! There's really bad lighting. Sorry, guys. Look at all that sand. Here, let's cut this open a little more because I know this is going to take years. Look at all of that. It's a lot of sand. Oh, I spilled some on the carpet. Let's squeeze it all out. I feel like I'm performing shell. I feel like I'm performing surgery or something. I'm like squeezing its guts out. Another shell. Why are there so many shells? Squeeze its blood. It's still going, guys. This is a lot of sand. Let's cut a little bigger hole. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Okay. There's still a lot more in that. We're going to get to that later, but now we have this one. Feels like slime. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut it open on my leg. Let's just get it. Like I normally do, I'm going to squeeze a little. And be careful because I'm using extremely big scissors. So I would recommend having an adult with you, but whatever. It's oozing out! Looks so funny. Ah! What if we just cut its face? Oh, awesome! This is so cool. Cut it real good. Turn this piece. Oh, look. This is crazy. What the flob? This is so squishy. What the flob? This is crazy. Okay, let me just get this balloon off. I got a lot. Oh, geez, that's a lot. That would have took years. R.I.P. little whale. Yeah, this was a whale, by the way. Well, we got a bunch of slime. Thanks for that. And I hope you... It smells gross. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for next time. Don't forget to stay spooky and eat cookies. Bye! Peace! And don't forget... I forgot to mention this. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. My Musical.ly channel, it's Cookie Quan, and my Snapchat is Cookie Quan. And yeah, I will soon get an Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned. Stay spooky. Bye!